Hey, Shad here with Speed Addicts, the fastest growing gear site on the web. And today we're going to uncrate this Fillmore jacket from First Manufacturing. What's up, SpeedX fan? Before we get all vintage and uncrate this Fillmore jacket from First Manufacturing, do us a favor. Subscribe to that Speed Addicts channel. It's only going to take you a click. And then you'll be up to date on all the latest gear reviews, where he's working hard to educate you and bring you the first look on the latest gear. Also, if you'd like to support us here at speedaddicts.com, you can do so by simply shopping with us. Don't spend your money with those corporate monoliths. Support an independent company like Speed Addicts. And again, it's really easy. There's a link in the description below. They'll take you right over to the First Manufacturing Fillmore jacket. And while you're over there, feel free to shop for any other parts or accessories you might need for your next two-wheel adventure. First Manufacturing, definitely one of our favorite leather manufacturers here at speedaddicts.com. They run their own factories. They make a real quality product, genuine bovine leather here. Their jackets are all buttery soft right out of the packaging here. Hardly any break-in required to have a real nice piece with limited lifetime warranty and typically a price tag between $300 and $400. The Fillmore jacket specifically is going to run you $289 to $319, so relatively affordable for a genuine jacket like this. Genuine leather jacket. Size range. Huge size range, always a good thing at First Manufacturing as well. You're going to see sizes extra small through 5 extra large. And styling here, we're going vintage. This reminds me, my grandfather always used to tell me when he started racing and riding in the 60s, he had to remind me, like, if you rode a motorcycle back then, you're pretty much either a racer or an outlaw. And, you know, it was just a different time. But this takes you back. Going for the rockabilly look, going for the Fillmore jacket, First Manufacturing has you covered. The fit is right on the money. I've seen some different comments on this saying that you need to size down, that it runs big. I disagree. I'm wearing the size large, which is what I wear in pretty much every First Manufacturing jacket, and it fits me great. Size large is for 44 to 46 inch chests. I'm 44, I'm 220 pounds, 6'2". The length is perfect, the fit is perfect. Again, sizes extra small all the way through 5X are available to you, and just go buy that First Manufacturing sizing chart you're going to see over at speedaddicts.com, and you should be dialed. But in case you have any sort of fitment issue or just decide it's not for you, shop with Speed Addicts and get no cost returns. That's right, we don't nickel and dime you like those other guys. We're going to give you that free return label in a few clicks. Treat you like family. You can return it for a different size, different color, or just get your money back. Give us a shot on your next gear purchase. 1.2 millimeter drum dyed naked cowhide leather, which is usually their material of choice over at First Manufacturing. And the Fillmore does feature armor pockets in the elbow, shoulder, and even a back protector. Now, all this armor is sold separately from First Manufacturing or the armor of your choice. I like D3O. I think they make the best armor. You can get really thin ghost armor from D3O, which doesn't take up a lot of room in the jacket. Remember, leather jackets tend to stretch in, so depending on the armor in this Fillmore, I might be able to get away with it in the size large, especially after it breaks in. Sometimes folks have to size up if they're going to run armor. Depends how thick the armor is, all that sort of thing. But it is available to you, so if you want to armor up, you can in the Fillmore. Let's check out the zippers. We got a lot of zippers, pockets, and buttons up top on the collar, the classic Fillmore. We've got 2 snaps here, 2 snaps here. We have a slash pocket across the chest. I'll show you how big that is. Fit most of my hand in this top pocket here. Down below, 2 traditional slash pockets with YKK zippers. They are pretty large. You shove your gloves in there, no problem, or just your mitts on a cold night. Then you got a little tiny, oops, get that back up. Little snap pocket here, a bit smaller, but large enough for most cell phones or keys when you're off your machine. You have a removable belt down below, and there are no other vents. You do have cuffs. Let's open these up, show you what that gusset looks like there to get it over your gloves, and then you can cinch it down. But there are no vents here, so this is better for mild to cooler temps. It's also lined. It has a removable thermal liner inside of it. But in terms of ventilation, all you're going to get are these grommets underneath your armpits. No other perforation or ventilation. Let's open up the jacket and show you what we're working with. on the inside of the Fillmore. First Manufacturing always keeping it Second Amendment with 2 different concealed carry pockets for both lefties and righties. These pockets are identical, so they have the same setup in each. I'm just going to show you one so you get the picture here. So their signature bullet snap buttons here to get you into your concealed carry pocket inside. You will see a tapered elastic holster right here that accommodates a various size of weapons. And then down below, what you can't see are 2 more elastic bands that are meant to hold magazines. So that is the setup here, and there it is. There's that holster. And again, like I said, same setup over on this side. It is lined. It's almost kind of like we can call this a chartreuse liner here, a little extra flare, something different than just a black liner on the Fillmore, which is cool because the jacket's kind of about the style, right? So zip out thermal liner that goes all the way down your sleeve, making it pretty warm. If you want to pull the liner out on warmer temps, you can do so. That about does it. You're going to get a limited lifetime warranty from First Manufacturing. They're out in New York. They're great about standing behind their products. You still got questions? Don't worry, Rider Support's always standing by for you over at speedaddicts.com, where you can talk to a human over the phone, live chat, or emails. If you got a Fillmore or even other First Manufacturing gear, sound off in the comment section below. Don't just take my word for it. That's all I got for you. See you next time to find out what's in the crate.